Assalamualaikum students. Today we will discuss about the impact of computer and internet on society. After the lesson we will be able to state impact of computer on education and business, define internet, state advantages and disadvantages of internet. First we will start with the impact of computer on education. Computer technology has had a deep impact on the education sector. As you can see that the method of teaching is totally changed in the current era. Computers plays a vital role in teaching. They help in various ways like distance education. Distance education means that those students who are unable to attend the regular classes for different reasons, for their financial issues, or if they are living in a remote areas like villages, so they can easily sit at home and learn online. It is also give the facility of the time that distance learning is not time bound. They can learn when they are free and can easily sit and use the internet. Different softwares are available to present the information like in the simple way PowerPoint presentations we use for delivering the ideas. Then different animations are available. Enable access to internet which has information. Through the computers we can use the internet and find information according to the requirement. Storage capacity. Computers provide mass storage that teachers can prepare their lesson plans, their worksheets, PowerPoint presentations and different videos, and it will be permanently stored in the computer. Some basic advantages of the computer in education are storage of information, audio-visual aid in teaching, like many things are more clear when we listen to them or view them through the different movie clips or presentations. We also have the listening skills in English. Better presentation of information. The idea can be delivered in a better way when it is presented in the form of the chart, bar graphs, or pictures. Internet access and quick communication between students, teachers, and parents. Now there are many ways available that email can be sent to the parents. Online portals are available from the schools that help the teachers and parents to communicate easily. Now the impact of the computer on workplace or businesses. The use of computers and technology today has become fundamental to the operation of organization and society. In today's era, it is impossible to work for any organization if you do not have the computer skills. It is the basic demand from many businesses, workplace, even in a simple grocery stores, they use computers. Better decision making. Data is available on the internet. All the charts and reports are available which helps the manager or the decision makers to make the better decisions for their businesses. Increase manufacturing productivity. Now through the computerized machines, the embedded computers helps the owner of the business or factories to increase the manufacturing. इनकी speed बढ़ जाती है. एरर्स कम होते हैं, आपका जो आउटपुट होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट और करंट होता है. Increase speed and efficiency of the job. Whatever the productivity is going on, like if we are making some products, packaging, and for example, making the reports, making PowerPoint presentations, it all is increase in the is way of स्पीड एंड एफिशिएंसी. जो भी काम होता है लाइक एनिमेशंस हैं, ये सब चीजें बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे तरीके से बेहतर हो जाती हैं. लेस मैनुअल वर्क. लेस मैनुअल वर्क मीन्स आप हैंड रिटन वर्क या आपका कोई भी प्रोडक्शन का काम है वो मैनुअली नहीं है बल्कि ऑटोमेटेड हो चुका है, मशीन्स के थ्रू होता है. Communication, the online meetings that people are sitting on the different countries, the company branches in the different cities or the countries, they can communicate to each other either within the company or from their clients. Globalization. Globalization that means the work has become a global village in every country. We can communicate easily through the different communication methods, emails, business meetings. Greater availability. Internet is available or the computer is available 24 hours and 7 days a week. And many businesses are emerging due to the use of the computer and internet. Creation of new jobs. Many new jobs have been created after the computer, like digital marketing, or now we have the option of the freelancing, that many organizations do not hire a permanent employee, but they prefer to freelance, that they will give their task to the freelancer to sit their home and use their own resources to accomplish the task. Now here are some disadvantages also. Lack of job security. The people have to be improve their skills, improve their knowledge in terms of the computer technology to secure their jobs. Computers are replacing most of the jobs. Normally jobs are replacing. Computers new jobs create कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो पुरानी skills हैं वो gradually खत्म होती जा रही हैं. Like animation and graphics. पहले जो paintings हाथ से होती थी, banners लिखे जाते थे, now they are replaced with the help of the Panaflex or the different graphic designing softwares. Privacy, it is the main disadvantage of the computer, that your data is available easily on the internet. The people can use it for some wrong purpose also. Reliance on technology, it means that we are more rely on the technology, that we don't have something in our mind or in our hand. If something wrong happens, for example a computer crashes or internet is not working or the electricity issue, so we will not able to do our work. Internet. The basic definition of internet is it is the global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the internet protocol to communicate between networks and devices. It is the wide area network, it is the international network through which different computers in the world are connected to each other. We will discuss some advantages and disadvantages of internet. There are many advantages of internet. We will discuss only few here. The first one is email. Electronic mail is the fastest way of communication. We can send email, official letters, attachment of the different files like Word files, reports, Microsoft Excel sheets to your business clients, to your colleagues. and simple the letters to your family and friends just sitting at your chair. It reduces the cost of communication and it is the fastest and most reliable way of communication. Second is discussion forums. There are many forums available on the internet according to the interest, like about sports, about programming languages, about technology, about television programs. So the people can join the forums and discuss their interest information. A lot of information is available around the world on the internet. Any keyword, any term we can just easily find. We can find about the different charts and different data about the population, about the different countries, the tourist places, services. There are many services available on the internet and they are available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Now we can easily book our flights, hotel reservations through the internet. E-commerce. It is the most emerging way of selling and buying of the products. Like we can place the order through the internet and we can receive our order while sitting at home. For example, Amazon, Daraz, these all are the e-commerce websites which helps you to buy and sell your products. E-learning. E-learning is also very important these days, that while sitting at home, if you can't go outside, if you have some barriers, so you can sit at your home and learn according to your e-banking. In the same way, banking become very easier just by registering yourself for the e-banking facility. You can sit at your home and check your bank statement. You can make fund transfer for your different transactions for your business or for your own family purpose. Downloading, you can download many softwares from internet. You can download movies, games for both entertainment purpose and for learning purpose. And most of the softwares available on the internet are free of cost. There are some disadvantages of internet also. Personal data theft, that information is available on the internet when you fill any form for registering yourself for email services or for social media, then your information is updated on the internet and it can be misused. Virus threat, when we are open on the internet, the computers are more in the dangerous situation that if we don't have antivirus softwares or some precautions, then virus can attack your computer. Social isolation, like in the terms of the society, it is important to communicate in real time to others, but due to the use of the internet, mobile phones, tablets, the generation is getting isolated from the family and friends. Wastage of time. Many youngsters, the school going students, or even the elders also waste their time by watching irrelevant videos or playing games and using the different apps which are not beneficial. Fake news, there's a lot of chance that there are many fake news which are uploaded on the internet to getting attention or uh, to disturb the people. Now, this is the video link. You can watch a video here about the impact of computer. Thank you for today.